Hello, how are you all? Today, I would like to introduce a fluffy and juicy Char Siu Bao. It's even easier to make using already cooked pork available at Coles or Woolworths. If you like the video, please give it a high rating and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. First, make the dough. And here is the ingredients. Make the yeast mix. Mix 3 grams of yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar in 110 ml of warm water. Next, add 100 grams of bread flour, 200 grams of plain flour, and half teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Into the yeast mixture you just made, 55 ml of milk and 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a KitchenAid mixer here. Set the bowl and the fork in the mixer and mix all ingredients on low speed. Knead for 5 to 6 minutes until the dough is soft and elastic. When the dough comes together and the surface of the dough is smooth, remove it from the fork and return the dough back into the bowl in the batches. Cover with plastic wrap and place the bowl at warm room temperature or in a shopping bag with hot water next to it for primary fermentation. In the meantime, make the char siu filling. Here are the ingredients. First, chop the spring onions. Next, grate the ginger and the garlic. You can use a tube or jar if you like. Remove skin from the pork and cut into small pieces. Place 1 tablespoon sesame oil in a pan and turn heat to mid. Add the spring onion and stir. Next, add the garlic and the ginger and stir. Also add the pork and stir well. Once the pork is soft, add half teaspoon of gochujang. Hope pronunciation is correct. And 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir well. In the meantime, start making the starch mixture. Add half tablespoon of starch into 1.5 tablespoons of water and mix well. Add the starch mixture to the boiling filling and mix well. Turn off the heat and pour the filling on a tray to cool. Now, check the dough. If the dough has double inside, remove the plastic and put a finger in middle of the dough. If the hole doesn't close, first fermentation is done. Divide into 10 to 12 portions, about 45 to 50 grams each. After separating, roll out the dough. Cover the dough with plastic wrap to seal in the dryness and let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, dust your workbench. Using a roll pin, flatten the dough to about 7 to 8 cm in diameter. Put the filling over the middle of the dough and pinch the dough together to form fold. Pinch the end of the dough and twist slightly to close the dough tightly. Line a steamer with baking paper and arrange the char siu bao. Don't put them too close together because they will stick together during steaming. Cover the char siu bao and leave 15 to 20 minutes for second fermentation. In the meantime, boil water in pot for steaming. After 20 minutes, put the steam pot with char siu bao on top of the boiling water and steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove from the boiling water. Easy and tasty char siu bao. Thank you for watching. See you next time.